Hello, let's learn addition with our animal friends. Here is a bunny who found 2 yummy carrots. Then he finds 3 more carrots. Let's count all the carrots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 carrots and 3 carrots make 5 carrots. Now here comes the elephant. Elephant sees 5 bananas. Now he picks 4 more bananas. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow! 5 bananas and 4 bananas make 9 bananas. Elephant is so happy to have so many bananas. Now look at this empty fish bowl. It's your turn to draw. First draw 7 fish and then draw 5 more fish. Now pause and think. How many fish do they make together? Alright, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, that's a lot of fish. 7 fish and 5 fish make 12 fish together. Now you find things that you can count. Keep drawing and counting. Bye for now.